In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the door Weatherstrip seal on this Toyota 4Runner. Let's get started. We're going to want to start by removing the lower trim piece. It has 4 Phillips head screws that go down into the floor. Remove all of them. You can pull this piece up. We also have to pull this kick panel off. Pull it forward like that. And we also have to pull this piece away so that we can expose the seal over here. Now you can just grab the seal and pull it away from the door. Probably going to be stuck on. If you need to, you can take a plastic trim tool to pry it. Okay, and pull it away from the vehicle. There it is. When it comes time to putting on the new one, first of all, you want to make sure you put it in the right orientation, meaning with the squishy side facing out. That's where the door will press up against. And you want to make sure that because this new one is cut, it's got 2 ends to it, whereas the original is 1 solid unit. You want to make sure you put the cut at the bottom, not at the top, because water will leak through if it's at the top. I like to start somewhere around the middle here and just press it in. It has a little channel where you have to press this the lip, the pinch rail into. You want to make sure it's pressed down all the way, and then you just go around and do the whole door. As you approach the end here, if you did it right and you didn't pull too far on it, it should match up perfectly. This is cut to fit exactly onto this size door because it's made for this application. And if this happens and you can't tap it down flush, just take both ends, lift them up, put them together, and tap them down together. Even if there's a little bit of extra tension here, over time it will stretch out, especially as you open and close the door. At this point, we can put this trim piece back. Okay. Now let's put this kick panel back. It should just lock in and slide into place. Now let's put this trim piece back in its spot and lock it down with the screws. And there you have it, door seal replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.